Hey guys, welcome back. I'm doing a cool special little video today from a nice eBay find that I got a hold of. My table is, my dining room table to be exact, is a little bit messy because I've been working on a retro quad, MK quad build that you saw in my last couple of videos. But anyways, I was scouring eBay, and I always look up, TracKmaster belt drive systems, because if you see my other videos, you've seen I have a collection of them, over 6. So this is my 7th one. So when I was searching, I just stumbled across this car, and I don't know what I searched. I don't know if I searched TracKmaster or whatever, but when I saw it, I'm like, okay, it just looks like an old pan car. I wasn't too interested because I have quite a bit of pan cars, And then when I opened up the auction, I saw the title and everything. It was labeled TracKmaster HyperDrive Team Losi car, rare, and it came exactly as I expected, but a little bit better condition than I thought. The chassis definitely is beat up, and it looks like part of it's been not homemade, solid, but like touched up. Different parts cut on it, like maybe some extra holes cut on it, just like somebody made some adjustments to it. And then as I start checking it out, I just start seeing more of the details. And I'll be honest, I'm not really familiar with a lot of the hyperdrive cars, the old ones. So I don't know what these arms are, if these are a Losi product or not. The tower just says Team Losi on a sticker, but I don't know if that was part of hyperdrive. I really don't know. I'm doing research, but the car is really well put together. The trans is really smooth. The belt's in good shape. I don't have this style TracKmaster casing. They used all the same standard belts, gears, and width, length on the belts on all their TracKmasters, like the Excalibur, the Glides, whatever. I don't have this one, so I'm gonna copy the plates on this one and add that to my collection. You can see on the outdrive cup, it's got these Losi, custom-made Losi cups. There's a set screw. I'm trying to turn it right there, and then it uses the Losi CVs, if you want to call them that. But man, the car is in really good shape. I mean, I paid $100 for it, and like I said, mainly I bought it for the diff. And then when I got it, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to put a brand new G10 chassis on it, brand new G10 shock tower. I'm going to remake the sides. And then it has the hyperdrive front end. I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to powder coat it blue, real nice blue. I'm going to use the G10, the natural that I use. It looks great for retro parts. And I think I'm going to leave it like it is, except for the chassis design, and get rid of the RC10 cup holders here, the battery cups. And then, but leave the back end like that. I may even put associated shocks on the back, but the diff is really smooth, and there's no cracks in these wheels. They're a little dry, but little simple green on there would soften them up real good. So you can see they say Losi, Team Losi on the wheels. It's like an RC10 style mounting. It's the old Losi. So, and then of course the hyperdrive front end. It's basically just like a pan car front end with the extra support for the axle springs and everything, so it just keeps it vertical. But I'm gonna clean it all up and powder coat it. But no, great find, especially with the TracKmaster diff. Like, I don't have this one, and you can see I actually like the design of it. It goes up and down, so the motor is actually lower, but the design keeps the gear up high and the motor down. Great design. I mean, I like it, and I love the TracKmaster diff, so I have a collection of them. Direct drives and 4 belt drives. So this is my 7th one, I think, and first of this style. So I just wanted to show this off in a video. For any of you guys that are hyperdrive familiar, if you want to throw a comment in there, let me know. That'd be great. I don't know if this is mix and match setup, basically hyperdrive front end and Losi rear end with the TracKmaster. I don't know if this was something that a kit was put together through Losi or what, but I really like it. So I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to ride this with my son's 10L that we redid. So cool. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and if you want to see anything special, just let me know, guys. Thanks. Bye.